Hey guys, Jay Trades here. Back with another video on trading, paper trading. Just figured I'd go ahead and talk about a loss I took today. It is my fourth loss this week, sadly. Very unprofitable this week. Um, but I'm still technically in the plus from that one trade that I took last week, right here. So, you know. But anyway, so here, I'm just gonna kind of explain my thought process into. So go to the weekly time frame. We marked out some weekly buy side and sell side, both which have not been swept. This was market open today, but anyway, so we went ahead and split these out. Marked those out. Go down the daily. Um, Went ahead and marked out an inverse value gap because this was getting brutally disrespected. This fat guy was getting disrespected, making the inverse. The, plus you have, hold on. Thought I marked out an order block earlier. Guess I didn't. But anyways, that's besides the point. Um, so I just kind of let market run up. Market open was here. I'm still in the 4 hours. Sorry. Market open was about here. Says 8 a.m. But anyways, I hopped on around 9 a.m. and I just kind of let price run. So I was respecting this inverse value gap, respecting this 15 minute right here, which we'll see on a low time frame. This was when news came out at 7:30. Go down the 15 minute. 7:30. Wait, sorry, this one. 7:30. Whenever news came out. Um, with those for value gas, but it was fine. We recovered from it. I hopped on the markets right around here, around 9 a.m. and I just kind of, did my technical analysis. I was like, okay, well, everything's saying bullish for the daily, so, I figured we'd be targeting. We already hit these areas of liquidity. I figured the next two areas would be these two, and well, obviously those did not pan out. Um, its price kind of went up slowly over the evening yesterday, and then it kind of boomed around but just before New York market opened, so I was like, okay, we finally got some volatility. We like this is gonna, right? It did not do that. It got stopped out. Um, yeah, I kind of, I mean, a trade that like I should have taken, well, not should have because I didn't see the setup. Well, actually, no, I don't really see a single trade. Like really the only possible trades I could see, you know, um, maybe if I didn't get in a trade so soon and I wasn't so eager to take a trade, I would have noticed this sweep of liquidity right here, um, and then hold on, as well as this break of structure right here, um, as well as that break of structure. I'm gonna get rid of this. As well as that break of structure, not any really impossible in an order block, so I probably would have been like, okay, set my stop down here, targeting these highs. That would have been a nice 2.75 hour trade. Um, it's not a trade I should have taken because at the time I didn't see the setup, so pretty glad I didn't. And eventually we did sweep these highs, so if I was thinking bigger picture time frame, we did eventually sweep these highs, making that a 3 hour trade. Um, that was a trade that I should have looked out for. I think the main thing I learned is today's Friday. It's not lot of market volatility. Um, so don't expect to get like 7 hour trades up here. Um, especially with like news and stuff this morning and Jimmy Carter's funeral and everything yesterday. Don't expect a lot of volatility. Um, so these were definitely some good setups today. I just didn't see them. And we can kind of go over my journal too. It was a $132 loss. I did stay in my range of 1 to 2%. Well, usually 1 to 1.5%. So I stayed in my range. And you're just kind of my notes. Hopped on, did my technical analysis, marked out order blocks for value gaps, draws and liquidity, the usual, established my daily bias. My daily bias was corrected. Daily bias is bullish and it's still bullish. It's just, I not the greatest take profit placement, not the greatest A plus entry. I did also move my stop loss around a lot. Here I can kind of show you. So my original stop loss was for the trade. See, I entered here. My original stop loss was down here. I kept moving it down here, between there, right? So whenever I saw it got close here, I let my motion get to me, and I set it here. Then I saw it get close to that, rally up. I'm like, oh, okay, I'll move it back here. And I'm like, oh yeah, just find a leg up, let's go. And then it started trickling back down. I didn't move my order block. Sorry, I moved it back down. I didn't move it again, and I got stopped out, ultimately resulting in a bigger loss. I was risking about $96 here and $132 here. So it was a bigger loss. I let my emotion get to me. I'm trying to learn my lesson now. um, but going back to my notes, I did enter off of retracements, section my risk, all that stuff. That was good. Just not a lot of price action on Friday, letting my emotions get to me, things like that. And also just kind of should have kept an eye on high time frames. Like we were bullish on the daily, bullish on the 4 hour, but bearish on the hourly, I believe. So yeah, that's kind of where I made my mistake. But yeah, guys, that's all I've got today. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys on Monday or Sunday if I do a weekly analysis. I'm not sure yet. All right, bye.